Where is that?
4.4.
Okay, good. And to find theta, we again have the tangent of theta would equal divided by, so we have to take the inverse theta of that, or the inverse tangent of that. Okay, good. So let's just go ahead and say 81. And then CCW, that would be what?
$261.
Good. So it's going to be 4.4 kilometers, 261.
That's awkward.
Got it. The other way of doing that would be to draw a scaled vector diagram with 3 vectors head to tail and then measure it.
Is that what's on the worksheet?
What? Those?
Because it already has the diagram drawn for us.
No, like with that, it's not scaled, it's just a sketch. But go ahead and get out your worksheets. Did we check, number 3 yesterday? No? Did we check number 2?
I don't think so.
Okay. Let's just go through starting with number 2 then. Number 2, the first one you should have had 13 meters, 23 degrees. And the second one is also 13 meters, and that one is 337 degrees.
What about negative? 335.
Sure you didn't have a stray mark because it's degrees, so you probably wouldn't have negative.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Maybe you just had like a equal sign or something. Number 3, the y component is 6. That would be 6 north, or you could say 90 degrees. And the x component is 10.4, and that would be east, or 0 degrees CCW. The middle one, the y component is 9.9, and that would be south, or 270 degrees. And the x component is also 9.9, and that would be east, or 0 degrees. And the last picture, the x component is 6, and that would be west, or 180 degrees. And the y component is 10.4, that would be south, or 270 degrees. Any questions about those for number 3? No? Okay. Did anyone attempt number 4 and want to know if you got the right answer? Yes? Okay. The first one is 20.3 meters, 17 degrees. Look at you guys jumping ahead. And the second one is 19.5 meters, 345 degrees.
Okay, I got this 19.5, but what angle am I supposed to be finding?
Yeah, I didn't get the right degrees. But
Yeah, I didn't get the
the
right
angle.
degrees, but I got the right at 19.5.
The second one would be you have 9, and then 9.9, you're drawing your triangle, and then it goes down 9.9, but it goes back up 5. So your triangle would be serious need of markers. Your triangle would be like this. That's not straight. You're good, yeah. And this is 18.9, and then this would be 4.9, which if you got the right magnitude, you should have that, and the theta would be right here, this angle. This is your R going that way.
I drew mine on the bottom.
That's what I,
What do you mean?
my picture, this.
Okay, so so you went like down first and then to the right, which you could still find that theta, but you'd have to add it to 270. Did you add it to 270? You should still get the same answer.
284.5?
345.
I got 345.
Oh, that was weird.
Okay, if you haven't done number 4, finish number 4. So you need to find the 2 components that are dotted there for you, and then combine all of the horizontal and all of the vertical components.